Let's rank each Hashira by their IQ. Now, this ranking might surprise you, but Mitsuri is in the 9th and last spot because even though she can turn most demons' worst nightmares into reality, she is not good with strategies. In the 8th spot is Sonami, and this second strongest Hashira is a perfect example of less brain, more muscles, which suits his personality. Number 7 is Obanayan, and his IQ is better than the normal humans, and he can strategize very quickly. He was the one able to fight with the help of his snake, even when he was blinded by Muzan. Number 6 is Muchiro, a combat genius who became a Hashira in just 2 months. Number 5 is Gyomei, and even though he is the strongest Hashira, there are a few Hashiras with better IQs than even him. On the number 4 spot is Rengoku, and he had such a great IQ that he became a Hashira by learning everything from books. The top third is Tengen, and we already saw his strategic side during the Entertainment District arc where he was ready for almost every worst case scenario. The second spot is most deserving of Tomioka because his IQ is exceptional, and proof of this is Tanjiro. We know Gyu's foresight and great analysis became the reason for Muzan's death. And the last and top spot is Shinobu, who was able to find a new way to kill demons when she was just a teenager.